The pen is the most useful tool I find, but usually when I'm working with the pen, I remove the fill. The pen is about strokes. It's not about fill. The main thing that I have to remember is this. If I'm drawing straight, I can go click, 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 make infinite, but you're not dragging like you do with a fountain pen. You just click here and then decide where you want the next, and decide where you want the next, and so on. Now, the nice thing about it is that you can take any point with a hollow tool and reposition it. If you come with the solid tool and click, the whole shape moves rather than just one point. Okay, that's what the pen with straight is. If I wanted to come here and change it, I might add a point onto the line. That's the pen with a plus. Now I can come in with my edit tool, with my white selection tool. So I can add, if I decide I don't want the point, I use the pen with a minus. And I've removed the point, removed another point. Follow? The probably trickiest is that if I take the anchor point tool, it will change what I have there. I have a square, but if I click here and drag out, now I've changed it into a rounded shape. I can also come in with it. Usually when you move one, the other moves also. But with this convert tool, you can click here and make a change on one side without it altering the other. Now, I'm going to come here. If I click, it goes back to being straight. So you can almost come in here and do this with a pen. Click, 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 click. Gives you straight. Click, drag slightly in the direction you want the curve to be, and then come over somewhere else, click, and drag. That gives you a curved shape with a pen. Now again, I can come in and click on a point and reposition that anywhere I want. And with these anchor arms, alter. So the main thing to remember is this. When you're working with a curve, say click slightly in the direction you want, click slightly in the direction you want, click slightly in the direction, slightly in the direction, stop. Now you come in with a hollow tool and click on any line. It gives you two anchor arms. You use it to determine how much of a curve you want it to have. I'm going to click here. It's going to give me the two anchor arms, and I decide how much of a curve I want it to have. I can remove points and add points to it. Okay?